To complete the assembly of a megabore flexible valve in the field, you will need a section of flexible hose, one MB51 and one MB23 fitting, plus 2 tubing connector sleeves. Mount the assembly tool in a vise to immobilize it. Install a tubing connector sleeve on the end of the hose. Slide the mandrel into the tool with the proper fitting and washer. Apply a small amount of lubricant to the mandrel so that it can slide through the fitting more easily. Tighten the mandrel through the fitting with a wrench. When the fitting comes free of the mandrel, the installation is complete. Repeat steps 1 through 4 for the opposite side. When the fitting comes free of the mandrel the second time, the valve is completely assembled.